Hi guys, wish you all a very pleasant and great evening. Myself Rahul Bhatia, the founder and director of PHR Restaurant Consultant and Management. Right, as you are well aware, right, we are an award-winning restaurant consultation company. Right, with projects located across a pan-India level as well as internationally. Right, I have personally consulted more than 100 plus resto project spanning across India and internationally. Right, so as per our initiative, right, where we intend to share our knowledge, right, to make our user beneficial, right, so that it can help to bring a good community in our hotel and restaurant industry, right, as well as give boost to the aspiring young individual as well as investors, right, who dream to start their own restaurant business, right, as we provide turnkey consultations to start your own restaurant brand, and also we provide you the full support to scale your brands to the different level across India. Right, so that's what PHR stands for, and we are very much committed to make your brands grow through our valuable consultations as well as insights, right, how the business can grow up in a correct way through the proper menu plannings, through the proper executions, through the proper kitchen development plans, right, through the proper recipe structuring, through the proper marketing strategy plans, right. So lot many things goes behind that, so all these things we structure into one thing, and we are very much delighted, right, we are able to provide you the most valuable results for our client. Okay, so today also I will give it to have you a good introduction, like you can also study my book, right. I have authored the book How to Run a Successful Restaurant Business, right, and you can learn from that also. And if you are really interested to start up something, right, start up your own restaurant, cloud kitchens, coffee shop, right, QSR restaurant, specialty restaurant, lot many opportunities are there in the market at this moment, right, because the market in the restaurant industry now favorable. Real estate is at the lowest cost at this moment, right. We used to pay the rent, right, in restaurant industry it is at lowest cost, which was the major expenses, right. So today that is at the lowest cost, so you just imagine what a brilliant opportunity is for a new brand to establish the footfall, right, because once you grow, any brands require 6 months to year time to grow, and you will get a very good nurture during this period, because people are accepting a quality brand at this moment. Okay, so now coming back to the value creation, right, which I have spoken, right, today I'm giving you very good insights how to plan your restaurant or cloud kitchen or a QSR menus, because everyone I have received lots of question, right, कि सर हम लोग किस तरीके से मेनू प्लान करें, क्या करें, किस तरीके से करना है. Lot many questions evolves in your mind. Definitely when I was young, right, I still study, right, but when I was young, so obviously there was lots of curiosity in my mind also, and I used to ask my teachers, right, कि इसको कैसे करना है, how to do. So same way I can definitely understand the curiosity among the people, right, कि इसको किस तरीके से करना है, how you need to do it in a correct way so that maximum people will order from you, will have a dining at your restaurant, right, how will you differentiate that, correct. So that's many things comes into mind. Definitely see, I would be definitely not able to cover menu thing, because menu planning is a very vast subject, but definitely few insights I will 100% share it to you, which will be very much useful for you. So you can stay tuned to the last part of the video, so that you understand, right, how actually to what are the fundamentals of doing a correct menu plan. Point number one, right, as I said you earlier also, right, before planning a menu you should always have a thorough idea about your brand concept planning, right? Make sure you first write down the concepts, right? What concept do you actually want to venture into, right? Based on your concept only, then the other resources has to be added to get your menu developed, right? So first is to have your proper concept planning through a very foolproof market research. I always advise you do your brilliant market study and then only have to structure concept plans. Second fundamentals which we always follow, right, is the cuisine selection, right? You need to have a thorough idea which cuisines do you want to inculcate in your menu. आपको कौन सा cuisine select करना है, right? And which cuisine are you comfortable? Correct. So cuisine selections is very important because you can't target everything. You need to be focused. आपको कोई भी ये particular cuisines में mastery करनी है. You need to have the single-minded focus कि this cuisine, for example, I'm like giving you, for example, I specialize in Pan Asian cuisine, right? So in Pan Asian, I need to be focused well enough. So I curated my menu as per the Pan Asian cuisine, right? Keeping the different models of Pan Asian inside, right? Like for example, what comes the Pan Asian, right? Stir fry dishes should be there in Pan Asian cuisine anyhow, right? You need to have a good variety of tofu inculcate because tofu at this moment is very much healthy and it has lots of protein content. So tofu has to be there. Your third is your different types of leafy, that's pork choice, Chinese cabbage, Chinese greens, all these ingredients, right, paired of the dish has to be there, right? So you need to have the proper idea, right, okay, what cuisine are you selecting, and you should do the in-depth study of the ingredients before curating your menu, right? Bamboo shoots, right? You need to have different curated unique dishes from the unique ingredients, I would say, if you want to stand out in the market, right? That's the third fundamental point is to USP creation. Now many people say to me, हम लोग USP कैसे बनाएं? See, USP बनाने के लिए you need to be master of that cuisine, correct? Or you need to hire a proper consultant, right, like us, who will give you the complete briefings, complete menu dynamics plan, complete SOP procedures, your complete recipe structuring, your complete food trials, right, your food presentations, curate your different menus with the use of different ingredients, because you need to be master of that, right? For example, Chinese, so then I can use a different pork choice or Chinese cabbage or maybe bamboo shoots or lotus stem, which are very novel ingredients, right, to curate some nice dish, right, and name it nicely. For example, right, we put it like honey chili, right, lotus stem with pork choice, right? So that's very sound interesting. Yes, yummy. Yes, it's very yummy dish, right? Because all these recipes have been trialed in our testing kitchens, correct? So whenever I give you any recipes, these are all tried and properly referred recipes so that you always have a unique niche and your outlet has a specialty, right? So that you succeed, because USP is very important for you to differentiate from the crowd. There are X number of restaurants, right? So you want to succeed, you need to have the unique USP, right? So you stand out in the market. Like this is only at my restaurant, right? This bows, right, paired with the drunken sauce are only at my restaurant. Or the drunken bows. So drunken bows is only at that restaurant. So people go running. Oh, that's a khana hai. In that way. Fourth, which again I always feel it's again very much important, right, is your food costing, right? Many people don't bother about this, but food costings are very important when we do the menu plannings, right? Because of the food costing, we understand the selling price of the menu and what is our cost. So I always advise use the proper Excel sheets, right, proper dynamics whenever we consult, right? So many restaurants, we always have that SOP procedures where we give the complete costing sheet with a proper ingredient plan, how much is the per unit cost, so you understand, right, okay, this is my cost, and then based on that we help you out to set the things like how much should be sure selling price should be, correct? So you have your correct profit margin in hand, right? Because that's called business matrix. You need to do the things in a correct way. Correct. Okay. And fifth fundamental is very important, I always say, is this placement. Is a placement, right? What we call the menu printing, right? So there are different elements when we print out the menu, right? So there has to be, body has to be there, introduction has to be there, your content has to be there, different sections has to be there. We need to do the balancing of the menu in such a way, like our highest selling dishes, highest quite pricely dishes always catch the eyeballs, right? So you need to do balance that thing in a very and for that you require mastery, right? Because we have also learned through our 15 years of experience how to do all these things, right? So that always the and your eyeballs arrive during on that dish only, and you will immediately order that, right? Because that's the practice which you learn. That's what all we always say, practice make the man perfect, and wisdom is gained through the knowledges. Correct. So follow up, I would suggest, like, you always all the write down all these points which are very much essential, right? And which are very much helpful if you want to make your menu unique and price it in a correct way. Correct. So share this video, guys, to the maximum people, right? New aspiring restaurators, right? Existing restaurators, right? Who want to really do a brilliant in our industry. Share this video so it become helpful for them. Now restaurant industry is growing very tremendously, and we as a PHR consultant are very much committed to make sure, right, that your restaurant scales up in India as well as internationally. Lot of opportunity in funding, right? There is a lot of opportunity to take your restaurant at the level of an IPO also in the Indian share market, right? 1000 CR market it is, right? You can easily scale that up, right? There has to be dream, and dream has to be with proper well drafted strategy and proper planning. That's what we are. Like, you have the vision, PHR is there to support you in every sense to make you scale that thing in a matter of few years and make your brand internationally as well as your pan India presence. Correct. So thank you, guys, and thanking you for all your blessings through which we have grown from a single restaurant company to a multi-layer and been award-winning restaurant consultation company, as well as in India as well as internationally, right? We thank you very much for all your supports, right, which you are, and faith which you have on our company. Correct. And we are always committed to make sure, like, our restaurant industry as well as hospitality industry grows, as well as through India as well as internationally. Our Indian brands of restaurants, right, make the presence in the international market through our support. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks.